Standard piping materials. Number 1. Carbon steel. Carbon steel is one of the most commonly used pipe materials. The specifications that cover most of the pipe used are published by the ASTM, American Society for Testing of Materials, and ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, e.g. A106 is a carbon steel material specification and is available in grades A, B and C. The grades refer the tensile strength. Number 2. Stainless steel. Stainless steel pipe is virtually non-magnetic. There are 18 different grades and type. 304L is the most widely used. L denotes low carbon content and is best suited for welding. Number 3. Chromium molybdenum. Chromium molybdenum alloy pipe is commonly referred to as chrome moly. There are 10 grades of this type of pipe material and are covered by ASTM 335. Chrome moly pipe is used extensively in heat exchangers. This material must be stress relieved after being joined. Number 4. Plastic pipe. Plastic pipe is categorized into two principal groups. Number 1. Thermoplastic pipe available in compositions e.g. polyvinyl chloride, PVC, polyethylene, PE, polypropylene, PP. Number -2. Thermosetting fiberglass pipe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.